The AKJ3060F ultra-large format fiber laser cutting machine is a high-performance industrial laser system designed for cutting large and thick metal sheets with exceptional precision. Featuring a ground rail structure, its gantry moves along rails anchored to the floor, ensuring superior stability, accuracy, and vibration resistance even during heavy-duty operation. The modular worktable design allows for extended cutting length, making it suitable for processing oversized materials.